Hello, good morning, students. I hope you will be safe and secure in your houses. Today, we are going to read chapter 9 from the first flight. Madam rides the bus. The writer of this chapter is Valikannan. This is a story about a girl who is only 8 years old. This is a sensitive story about her desire. She always live in her house. She has no comrade. At her 8 years old age, so she always stand at her doorway to look the buses which were going from village to city and from city to village. She was too fond of the people, those who step on into the bus and those who step out from the bus in the corner of the street. Days after days passed. She has a strong desire to travel in the bus. She got the information about the bus from the nearby neighbors, and she calculated the money that required for the fare and the distance from village to city, and she also planned how to move from village to city and how much time it will take to complete her journey. Okay, so let us come and read line wise and find out how she managed everything. Okay, so come on the topic. See there was a girl named Valimma who was called Vali for short. Means there was a girl who was very innocent and she was only 8 years old. Her name was Balimai and everyone know as Bali for her short name. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. She was only 8 years old and she was too much curious about the things which happened with her. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house. Means her favorite pastime means in her pastime she always stand in the front door of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside and looking what was happening outside of her house in the street. There were no playmates of her own age on her street. Means at the time when she was only 8 years old, she has no comrade to play with. Okay, and this was about all she has done too. That's why she always come out of the house to view the buses which were coming from village to city and some which come from city to village. But for Wali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any other elaborate game others children's play. She was not able to play with her friends, but she liked too much to view the buses on the street more than the other interesting game from the other students. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiments. Watching the street gave her a new excitement experience, hopeful experience. What she could see, it was most elaborating for her. So in the first paragraph you have read how much the age was and how she spent her pastime to view the bus, and where she could stand to view the buses, and how she could feel. Okay, the next we have to check the paragraph. The most fascinating things of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. The most interesting or fascinating or affecting things was that the bus which was traveling between her village and the nearest town, okay, it passed through her street each hours, one going to the town and once coming back. Means in every hours the buses passed from her town to city and from town to city, filled each time with a new set of passengers who are sources of unending joy for Wally. And every time she saw many passengers come in the bus, okay, and it gave her too much enjoyment, too much unending joy for Wally. It means in this paragraph you have read how she was liking too much the villagers who come or go by bus, okay, and the sight of the passengers was too much affecting her, okay, and she was too much happy to see the joy of the people, okay. Days after day she watched the bus, and gradually a teeny wish crept into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. Miss, day after day she watched the bus. The desire of the girl became stronger and stronger. She wanted to ride on the bus, so that she was thinking, just once I want to ride in the bus, okay. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Wally would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. It means this wish became stronger, means the girl's wish became stronger and stronger, okay. It became most stronger, okay, until he could not ride in the bus, okay. Wally would stare, means she always stare, longing, wishful means longing, desires, at the people who got off or who got on into the bus, okay. Means she always thinking how the people thinking who ride in the bus, their face would kindle in her longing, dreams and hopes. Means their use for the people, so people's face would kindle means of feeling, set of lights, okay. Means their face always became happy when they ride in the bus, okay. And when they complete their dreams, they became very happy. If one of her friend hoped to ride the bus and tried to describe the sight of the town to her, Bali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Means if one her friend hoped to ride, if any friend of her hoped to ride in the bus, okay, and try to describe and try to say something about the journey, okay, Bali would be too jealous. Then Bali became jealous with her friends, okay, and after listening the voice of her friends, she shouting loudly, okay, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. Means no one can understand what is the meaning of the word proud, but they used it often as slang expression of disapproval. But both Wali and her friends understand this word as a slang at the same words, which means informal words which can fulfill their desires. Okay, next paragraph, check there. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. Over many days, okay, means after many days and month, okay, the days and month passed. Wali listened carefully the conversation, means she listened the information from the people, those who ride in the bus regularly, okay, and also asked a few discreet means careful, and she also asked the careful questions about the journey, okay. This way she picked up a very small detail about the bus journey, and from asking to the people she collected the details of the journey, okay. The town was 6 miles from her village. In the detail, she had known very well the distance from her village to town was 6 miles, okay. The fare was 30 paise one way, and she also got the fare of this bus from one side is 35 paise, which is almost nothing at all. The people told her it is nothing at all for everyone. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Wali. Means when she heard from the well-dressed man, means a gentleman who told her only 35 paise is not much money, okay, who scarcely saw what much money from one month to the next, okay. It seemed a fortune, okay. Who scarcely means kabhi kabhi shayad, who scarcely saw that much money. No one can care about these money, okay, from one month to next, okay. It seemed a fortune. Only those who use these the amount of money, only they think this is a fortune, okay. The trip to the town took 45 minutes, and she has also known from one side, means from village to city, there was 45 minutes, okay, time to be taken, okay. On reaching town, if she stay in her seat and pay amount 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. Means if she start her journey from house, she will take 45 minutes to reach in town, and she will return in the same bus, okay. She will take 45 minutes from there, okay. It means she calculated the information from the people, those who come here and there, okay. She could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at the 45, and be back home by about 2:45. This means that she could take the 1 o'clock. It means if she would go for a trip. She would come out of the house at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and she will arrive into the town. Okay, in the same bus she will sit there and she will pay 30 paise. Okay, after that she will also pay 30 paise to return from town to city. Okay, and be back home by about 2:45, and about to 2:45 she will return at her home. Okay, on and on went her thought as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Okay, on and on went her thoughts, means her thoughts became, or she was thinking about her dreams. Okay, that was going to fulfill. Okay, so she was thinking and calculating and recalculating the things that required for the trips. Okay, what was the calculation? How much the distance from village to town and town to village, and how much money it will take as a fare, and how much distance is from a village to city. So these are the things she calculated, and she was also calculating no one would see him if she will go by the bus. Okay, so recalculating, planned, and she was planning how she would come out of the house and ride in the bus for town. Okay, means everything she planned one by one. Okay, and when she was completely satisfied with her plan, she decided to go for a journey. Okay, so I think you could understood very well. Okay, try to see the questions. Okay, what was Wali's favorite pastime? Okay, the Wali's favorite pastime was to stand at the doorway to view all the buses which was passing from there. Okay, what was the source of unending joy for Wali? What was the strong desire? Okay, good. What do you think Wali was planning to do? Yes. It means Wali was planning how much time it will take, how much distance is from village to town, and how much money it will take. Okay, and also she was thinking, if every one of the family went to rest, I will go for riding in the bus. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.